Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the DisplayBoard multi-harness in this LG built-in air conditioner, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the unit's power cord. Remove the inlet cover by detaching it from the top first. Pull the air filter up and out. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the front grille assembly. Pull the assembly out from the bottom, then lift up to detach. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the assembly. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws securing the DisplayBoard cover. Detach the wires from the retaining clip to remove the cover. Next, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the DisplayBoard itself. Now disconnect the wire connector from the Wi-Fi board to fully release the DisplayBoard assembly. With the board released, you can depress the tabs to disconnect the old multi-harness. To install the new DisplayBoard multi-harness, connect the wire connectors to the DisplayBoard. Realign the board in the frame and thread the upper left and lower right mounting screws to secure. Position the cover and thread the two remaining screws. Secure the wires under the retaining clip. Connect the wire connector to the Wi-Fi board. Reinstall the front grille assembly by first connecting the wire connector. Make sure the vent lever is accessible just below the horizontal louver as you insert the upper tabs into the slots in the frame. Then position and snap the sides of the grille into place. Rethread the two mounting screws to secure. Realign the air filter by positioning the bottom edge first, then snap the top of the filter into place. Align the inlet cover hinge tabs with the slots in the grille assembly, then snap the top portion of the cover into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.